for a change, it's not just about food escapades, but it's about travel escapades this time. Yes, I've been traveling quite a bit for the last few days, and today I'm in Bijapur or Vijaypura as this place is now known. I'm at this beautiful, stunning property called the Pravasa Hotels in Vijaypura with an excellent location, close to every possible thing that you need in Vijaypura, and apart from that, this property with 32 rooms is absolutely stunning and aesthetic to the core. Beautiful design elements right from the time you enter the hotel, the reception, the corridors. What do I even say about the rooms? Beautifully well appointed rooms with all possible comforts and amenities and aesthetic color schemes. I'm truly loving my stay here, and that's not all. Apart from the room, there is a beautiful azure blue swimming pool with an adjoining cafe, which is rooftop, affording a wonderful view of the city, which is really cute and cozy, and the Aranya fine dining restaurant, which is expansive, aesthetic, and multi-cuisine. Part of my stay at the Pravasa Hotels in Vijaypura, I'm at the Aranya Fine Dining Restaurant, a beautiful, expansive restaurant with a warm, chic vibe and, of course, eclectic food. The menu looks absolutely exciting with an Indian selection, continental fare, local fare, main, salad, soups, desserts, what have you. There's something to tantalize and tease every palate. I'm really in for an excellent meal here, and I'm so excited to devour every morsel of the food here. To a good start for my dinner this evening, I've started off with vegetable spring rolls. Having relished a delicious meal at Aranya, I'm on to my dessert, and as you can see, it's pure indulgence. Yes, it's a gadbad that I'm having this evening, and I can't wait to try each of the wonderful flavors of ice cream in this dessert. Thoroughly enjoyed my stay at Pravasa Hotel in Vijaypura and made absolute great use of the well-appointed, beautiful room, Aranya Fine Dining Restaurant, where I've had memorable meals and availed of warm service and hospitality. I'm going back from Pravasa Hotel, Vijaypura, satiated, happy and delighted, but with a promise to come back. While I enjoy the rest of my stay, if you enjoy watching Minnie's Food Fantas, do subscribe to my channel.